This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make eggs pizza. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 6 large eggs, a quarter cup of milk, and a dash of salt and pepper for seasoning. Don't forget your favorite pizza toppings. Think colorful bell peppers, savory onions, or even some pre-cooked sausage. We'll also use about 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create the delicious egg base for our pizza. In a medium bowl, whisk together your 6 eggs with a quarter cup of milk, adding a pinch of salt and pepper. Make sure it's thoroughly combined. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a 10-inch nonstick skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, pour the egg mixture into the skillet, gently tilting to ensure it spreads evenly across the bottom, forming a perfect canvas for your toppings. With our egg base gently cooking, it's time for the fun part, adding the toppings. Carefully arrange your prepared ingredients, like those colorful bell peppers, onions, or savory sausage, over the partially set egg mixture. Then, generously sprinkle about 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese over everything. Cover the skillet with a lid and let it cook for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the eggs are fully set, and the cheese is beautifully melted and bubbly. Your delicious eggs pizza is almost ready to enjoy. Once cooked, carefully slide the entire pizza from the skillet onto a large cutting board. It's a good idea to let it cool for just a couple of minutes. This helps it set completely and makes slicing much easier. Then, cut your eggs pizza into 4 or 6 wedges, depending on your preference. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh basil or parsley. Serve it warm and savor every delightful bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.